Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video I am going to try something that I ordered, and yes, I'm going to unbox it and also try it for the first time. So don't judge me, this will be my first attempt. It is in front of you all. I didn't do anything before that. So yes, I'm going to unbox it and use it in front of you all for the first time. So however it comes out, please don't judge me because this is my first time. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So the unboxing is done, and as you can see, it is a heat gun. So you might have seen many people use it while using shrink sheet. So yes, let's use it as well and see how it goes. So yes, I have I have just drawn a butterfly. I know this is not looking so good as well. So anyways, this was just in a hurry, so I hope you don't judge me on my drawing. I'll do a better one next time for sure. So yes, now let me punch the hole and then use the heat gun. Let's see how it shrinks and what happens. I really don't know. I've never used it. This is my first time, so I hope it comes out well. I don't know, because as you know, I don't have experience using this. I'm not perfect in it. So okay. Oh, okay, it's a bit hot, but I don't know how I'm going to do this. Somehow it has come, and I guess I'm not able to make it as a butterfly. So this is a different design that came out. I hope you all liked it. Let me know how you all like this design. It didn't come out as a butterfly, obviously. So yes, now let me just insert a jump into the hole and put it in a chain and try out how it looks. Now I'll try and let you know. I'll show you all. You let me know how it looks, and do let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. So yes, this is how it's looking. I liked it actually. It looks something like a different design, but anyways, you all tell me your opinion. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.